Hi, my name is Samantha and welcome to today's video. Today is going to be a haul. Let's get into it. Sorry it's been a minute since I posted. I have been very overwhelmed with the move and trying to get settled in the house. Still not done with all the boxes yet. My craft room is not set up. As you can see, if I put this down for a second, I've got the shelves up, but there's no fabric. All the fabric's in the closet right now. I haven't started washing the big haul that I showed you guys before. And before you get mad at me for going back on my word about not making any purchases in 2023, none of this was purchased from Joann's, at least not by me. And the only thing that I spent money on was this one piece of fabric, which was $2. So all the rest was given to me. I didn't buy it, and I'm very grateful. So this fabric here was from one of my first thrift hauls in Ohio. It is this Anchor quilting cotton. It's a very large piece, maybe 2-3 yards. It was $2. Then I have some fabrics from a thrift store in Virginia. We've got a fat quarter that's still bundled. And these are fat quarters as well. This was like some owl Americana print, some other owl Americana, white flowers, yellow flowers. And then this fabric here was intentionally or unintentionally given to me. This was wrapped around a beautiful jewelry box, which I'll have to show you guys when we do a house tour. This fabric is 2 pieces and it was protecting the jewelry box. Then this next box is some more fabric that I was gifted. Let me put it on the ground. So it's a bunch of fabrics. There's some bias tape. What am I trying to say? Bias tape. I don't know what word I'm looking for. A zipper. Oh my goodness. And then this stupid cough that I've had since Christmas. Yeah, I have bronchitis. I don't know if I still have it, but when I went to the doctor 3 weeks ago, urgent care, they said I had bronchitis, was put on antibiotics, thought it would get better. Nope, had to go to urgent care again in Ohio, and then got put on a different antibiotic, and yeah, I'm still coughing, but everything else is fine. There's nothing else wrong with me, so that has been a thrill. We've got these different size cuts of fabric that had love and hearts on it. This has bees on it. This is like a geometric print. This one is like flannel. It's duckies. A checkerboard. This one's got cats on it. Leaves. We've got some Joann's, Joann Fabrics, New York Fabrics Cloth World. Let me know if you guys have ever seen this before. I'm sure that this is old. I'm not sure what this is. Fat quarter, fat quarter, fat quarter, fat eighth. These are all definitely smaller pieces. A lot of variety though. Cherries, I think is what that is. Yeah, cherries. Some little dogs. This one is cotton flannel, cows, some cheetahs. Now this is a big piece. And I do believe it's all one piece. This is probably a couple yards. We've got some ladybugs, Care Bears, another Care Bears. And you know the Care Bears would be something that I'd only make for people that I know. I'm not going to sell it. I do not sell products that are licensed. And people get upset with me all the time. Oh, don't you have this sports team? Don't you have this character? No, I try to do the right thing. That stuff is licensed. You're not allowed to sell it. When there are vendors selling stuff like that, they should not be doing that. So I do not do that. This is like a half-done project. I'm not sure what it's supposed to be. Maybe a shirt? A skirt? I'm not sure. I'm not sure what this is supposed to be. It's like a more silky material. So that's everything in that box. Lots of goodies. And then we've got the bin. Let's set this aside. Alrighty. In the bin, we've got some patterns. things. We've got like a poncho thing. I don't think that's the right word. Another like blouse. Pajamas. I bet this would be easy to make. I could probably make that. All right. And then in the bin, we've got, so there's this one fabric, but it's cut up a bunch of times. So this fabric here, it's pumpkins and a farm, but there's a bunch of pieces of it. So I'm not sure if it's like already pre-cut to sizes for a specific project or something, but it's already cut up. I'm just gonna take a stack out here. Whoop. We've got like a selvage piece. It's like a wonky piece. And then we've got some like kids caterpillar, colorful geometric. This is a pretty big piece. I'm not sure what this is. It's more rough, the texture. This is a project. This is a house. Let's see. Up on the housetop vest. Ah, very festive. You think I could whip that up? I'd wear something like that. I need to show you guys my Christmas sweater collection. It's quite nice. I like it. I actually didn't wear any of my Christmas sweaters this Christmas. I was too overwhelmed with the move. But yeah, I have more sweaters than there are days, and I have acquired them over the years. I think that's part of the same thing. I hope that project's in here. We've got this other piece, which was the first piece that I showed you guys. Oh, this is cool. It's like a beachy. It's a very big print though. Like, I don't know what I'd do with that. We got just some purple, which is nice. Some horses. That'll be good for jar openers. The horses, and then remember there was dogs in the other ones. People love animals, so anything animal print is what jar opener should be. And if you guys remember, this is more of that same caterpillar one. I have a big challenge for myself that I'm gonna make all my jar openers for the year in February. That's my goal. So we'll start working on that. I don't know if I'm gonna like upload progression videos or if I'm just gonna do one overall video. What does this say? How much I love you. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Oh, that's so cute. It's got little hearts. And we've got this, I have no idea what this is, like knit, maybe? The same fabric again. Pattern. I'm assuming it's probably one of these patterns. Or Halloween themed. This is more like a silky, satiny. This is very interesting. Oh, this is pillows, like pre-cut panel pillows. More of the kids' fabric. Halloween fabric, polka dots, that black stuff again, polka dots. Oh, this is cute, little lizards. Make a good jar opener. All right. Oh, here's the vest is already partway done. Guys, we could do this. Look, the vest is already partway done. We're gonna do this. This is gonna be a project. We're putting that on the project list. Hold me accountable. We gotta do it. Okay, the bottom of the basket was just like a bunch of this ribbon. Okay, let's see here. We've got some Christmas bears. Another thing of that black fabric. Christmas bears. Oh, that's cool. It's like waves. It's very detailed. Wow, it's so vibrant. Another panel, I believe. Cat panel. Okay, we got another project here. What is this? Oh, it's one of the books. Guys, I never even did that other one. Remember the apron I wanted to do? I never did that one. It's a book. Put it on the list. Hold me accountable. Maybe in November, December, I'll just like do all these project panels that I have. More of that kids fabric. Oh, this is pretty. A lot of it. This would make like a really elegant skirt or dress or something. I don't know how to use that fabric. Here's a pillow that's like done. Part of the way done. I would probably unpick this and redo it. It's like a thick type fabric. Okay, that is all of the haul. Let me know what your favorite fabric was in the comments down below. Let me know what you've been up to for the past 2 weeks. Sorry I haven't been around. I will be back on Thursday. Thursday starts February, so we're gonna get back on a roll. We're gonna start unpacking things. We're gonna get stuff on the shelves, get stuff in drawers. I'm so excited. I can't wait to show you guys once it's all done. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and have a wonderful day.